Hi guys, welcome to Geeksbench. Let's talk about why I should learn C++ in 2021 or in future. So I've seen so many videos which say that you should not learn C++ in 2020 as this old language. First of all, that's completely false. I don't know what is the source of info. Let me tell you, I've worked in IT industry from past 10 years, and let me share my experience with you. I have worked for many gaming companies, simulators. I have worked for semiconductor domain, robotics, telecom, healthcare domain, and all are using C++, VC++, MFC. And let me tell you one more thing. None of them will be using a single language. Many of them will be using a C++ with Java or with C# or any database. So basically C++ uses OOPS. Basically that is the foundation of many programming language. And there are many other languages you use which is falsely following OOPS concepts. So that is C++, VC++, MFC, Qt, ActionScript in Flash. You can see 2.0, 3.0. They are all using a C++ OOPS concepts. If you see C Sharp, WPF, WCF, they are also using OOPS concept. If you see Java, ABAP, MATLAB, Smalltalk, CAD, CAM systems, all are using a basically C++ only. And if you can see, like in the gaming industries, there are many gaming engines which are using a C++. You, for example, if you take a Unity that is using a C++ as well as a C Sharp also, and there are a hell lot of gaming engines which are using a C++. And you can see a semiconductor domain, basically a hardware. Uh, they're using a wafer inspection tool for semiconductors. If you can see simulators, all defense and private sectors are using a simulator using a C++ with any of the other languages like Java or WPF. If you can see like operating system, yes, in operating system also we're using C and C++. So basically, most of package softwares are still written in C++. That means game, office, application, graphics, and video editors. And there are many compilers also that is written using a C++. Operating system, whether embedded or for the desktop, or almost excluded in some C language. Attempt has been made to write them in Java or C Sharp, but none of them those have worked out. All of the drivers are written in some C variant, as well as I don't see this changing anytime soon. And if you can see that uh, basically drivers, what I said, like gaming engines, advanced engines like audio, image processing. Like if you see a Google map that is also doing image processing using C++, telecom or Cisco, and there are many other telecom companies which are using C++ with Linux. And then there are embedded softwares like controller systems and PLC. All are using a C++. Simulators, defense or private, they're using a C++. Semiconductor domain, that is also using a C++. Healthcare domains, basically many applications, medical equipments, all are using C++. And then there comes the operating systems, Apple and OS Window. So let me tell you one more thing, guys. My advice is to master whichever language you enjoy more. I know C++, Java as well, and have used both professionally. So one more thing, like you cannot compare any of the application development with web-based technologies. So if you're comparing with C++ with HTML or JavaScript, the ASP.NET, that's completely illogical because uh, that HTML and all they'll be changing like anything, and whereas C++ is like is there from 1970 and still it will be there for till 2050. I don't think this changing in future. So whatever you learn properly, and you cannot survive with only one language. Just learn C++. You can learn in 30 days, and that basically will help you to learn any other languages more quickly. That's very basic. You can learn C++ in like not more than 30 days. Thank you guys. Hope you, if you have any conclusion, if any query, you can post me or you can like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching Geeks Bench.